PsyTricks presents 7 harsh truths that will improve your life instantaneously. Everyone wants to make an impact and live a life they can be proud of. But anyone who has ever known success or even been around the block a time or two knows that life comes with some hard realities. Success takes hard work and commitment, but what happens when luck and success evade us? Maybe we have to start looking at the hard truth that show us whether we're standing in the way of our own success. Here are 7 harsh truths. They may not be fun to hear or think about, but they can help you improve your life immediately. The first, you can control a lot of things, but you can control how you respond. In life and in business, most things are outside your control. But there is one thing you can always control, and that is yourself, your reactions and ideas. The second, life isn't always happy, but there is value in both the bad and the good. There is tremendous pressure on all of us to be happy. But life is sometimes difficult and painful. When you let go of the idea that only happiness has value, you can accept life in all its glorious complexity. The third, nothing lasts forever, and that's a good thing. Whatever the situation or emotion, there is a great freedom when you can learn to let go, make the experience a part of who you are becoming, and move on.
Guys, if you find this information useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. I'll appreciate it for that. Thank you.
The fourth, we can do our best and still fail, and it's not our fault. As leaders, we have a tendency to be hard on ourselves, but when you let go of perfectionism, you can accept that you did your best. Whatever the outcome, hope for the best and expect great things, and if that doesn't happen, let it go. The fifth, you are not everyone's cup of tea, and that's okay. It's been acknowledged again and again that you can please everyone, but if you focus on staying in favor with yourself, you can fly above the approval of others. The sixth, deceit and games don't fuel careers. Trust is the key. Business is built on relationships, and like partnership, marriages, or friendships, trust and authenticity are the key components. The seventh, the beliefs of others are not your concern. Acceptance is. Each one of us is unique in our own way, and that is what makes this world so fantastic. What is right for me may be wrong for you. All we can do is to let go of judgment and accept one another for who we are. I hope these truths really make you stronger. Share in the comments down below which truth you absolutely agree with. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.